the title Pussy Good Like Jesus is very controversial. And you know, Vybz Kartel is a controversial man.
Yes.
Then, but the association of what the people them have problem with. Pussy Good Like Jesus. How does pussy related to Jesus? How is it? Like them a try to say, how you bring that to the Most High God? P Diddy.
P Diddy, you can't call him man the name pan the
Yo,
podcast, you know, dog.
I don't even want to call him man name, you know, dog. Yo, we black out that.
So why now as Vybz Kartel out and hopping and skipping? This man crawl out and hole. Why now him a crawl out and hole? Yo, welcome back to another episode of Rap and Chat with Trexdon.
Naz.
Yo, big up yourself.
Yeah,
there, man. So you're there, pan.
Holy for sit with the foot.
Holy be there for chat, bro.
Bro, the list said so.
Yo, how your artists a move, so? How your artists a move, so, by the way?
Dog, the man let me down big time.
Jesus
big time,
Christ.
dog.
People,
Can't believe that.
today we are going to talk about Alkaline and the Dan himself, Vybz Kartel, and Wilds.
We're going to talk about P Diddy.
So hear me I say.
But hold on, not only that too. Talk about the girl who get shot.
Dog.
My life again, bro.
Me tell you, them social media influencer, yeah, brother. Me don't know what go on. Me don't know if people are disrespect other people or some people just not like see other people being successful, bro.
The girl have over 200,000 followers in the morning.
Bro, yeah, tell you.
So you don't know who really they behind the screen and watching and a bad man.
And what's this too? And a Jamaica,
But look how me just say a Jamaica alone, me see it.
Alright, so now that me, you remember me said to you the other day, I say, yo, and a Jamaica alone happening in other countries, but we're not seeing it.
Not seeing it.
You see, you same thing come right back round.
Bro. Anyway.
In Mexico.
Yo. Yo, you man say now, before we go any further, I want to give the video a thumbs up. Yo, I'm going to tell you, say, yo, subscribe, but some of my people, them when they want to subscribe, just give me a thumbs up.
Yeah, man, give me a thumbs up, man. Or drop a comment.
Yeah, drop a comment too.
You see me?
You see me? Sometimes the comment section hot, be a backlapping over there, dog. You can't go over there too often, you know?
Bro, yo, me have to duck some more while I look over there and say, yo, I want to go on.
But yo, we still appreciate the comments them still.
Yo, I love, man.
Yeah, man.
I love, bro.
Love we preach to you.
You know what I mean? I just love, we not be biased and we not ever take things to heart.
No.
Because it's just a conversation.
Yes.
That's why we name Rap and Chat.
Rap and Chat. We just a chat and we just a rap about the things that we have, bro.
So, yo, come to talk about Alkaline.
Alkaline, dog.
Yeah, yo, bro. Talk about Alkaline.
Before we even jump in an interview, remember me all big up the man in the last thing, dog.
Tell you?
Dog, but me rate him, I'm an artist same way, dog.
No, me not rate Alkaline. Me rate his song them.
Well,
rate some of his song them. Reason being why me not rate him.
Mm-hmm.
You see, in a life, bro, always remember, no man is an island. And no man stands alone. In a life, bro, you have to understand, say, somebody did it before you.
Of course. I'm 100% agree with it.
You get me, I say?
Of course.
So, we could jump in it so we can talk. I want to tell you my mind.
Yo, people, when you watch the interview, if you don't watch the interview with Alkaline, UK, BT UK, if you don't watch it, go look for it. Or we'll probably just leave it at the end of the video.
Yeah, man.
You see me? So you can pre. First and foremost, I'm not even going to talk about what him say yet, but in presentation as a big old f***ing artist.
No, you see, when you say presentation, you have to let me talk. I feel your artist,
Yeah, but hold on now. They tell us, man, let me down, dog, because the man old delivery, dog. The man no seem confident, dog. He just seems shaky in a sense. And then the next thing, man, you, the man come back with black hair, brother.
We are no man, you come go on like say you want to jump on my thing, so bro.
True. Alright, so yeah, him shaky.
Me tell you this already several times. I'm going to take off my glass for you understand. When you see me here, then when me I tell you this.
Please don't come tell yo. That's why I say it, you know, because man,
what's this now?
Bad when me say nothing about the Gaza.
You see,
Gaza nation,
Vybz
you know.
Kartel jump out of prison. You remember the song where Cartel say, fresh from prison, a brand new king has risen.
Yeah.
See it?
Yeah.
Enough people don't want to give man in props, dog. You know, if you understand, say Cartel a set trend. He's a trend setter. You see me? Bro, a years me not see Alkaline do a interview.
Over 9 years.
All right, years.
9 years.
So why now as Vybz Kartel out and hopping and skipping? This man crawl out and hole. Why now him a crawl out and hole? And watch you know? You crawl out and hole, but you not even crawl out and hole with no confidence. And you come back with the same style where they have 2014 or 2013. Yo, you see if him did link, if Alkaline did link me and say, yo, you know me I go do an interview and me I go wear me black hair, them would have say, no bro, we are red.
Cause something different.
No something different.
Something different, bro. We are some green or orange or something different. Don't come back with the same old style.
First thing when me see the interview, me I say, how would they find this whole interview here with Alkaline from 2014? All if you know I say at 2025, me I say no,
yeah,
sir.
Yeah, you know, sir, me know say at 2025, dude.
Me I say no, sir. Alkaline come back with the contact, no, I mean the tattoo eyes.
No, brother, no, tattoo contact lens. But make we jump right in that part where man, I have to give credit, dog. You can't tell me no. You can't tell me say nobody. You know, look to nobody as your inspiration or not even say inspire you, but somebody who were there in the music industry before you forward, where you listen to, you must idolize a man.
The man say no man not inspiring, bro.
Nobody not inspiring, dog.
But bro, remember me said to you in the same conversation where we did about Vybz Kartel, me said to you, say yo, the fans them where man have even say the man not have no personality. The people them say the man could have come on the stage and come say, yo, wagwan, turn on your lighter, Ablika, you know? Yeah. The man have no personality towards the fans then, bro. But the people they say, man, then could have just turn on one CD and listen to when can do.
It's showing in an interview.
See, you get what I say?
It's showing in an interview.
So,
I'm not gonna lie, dog.
Bro, being an artist, bro, you have to. As much as I'm not like being a man, I'm not yet being a man. As much as I'm not like,
yeah, me rate being a man.
As much as I'm not like how he move, cause me can't make a man, or me can't build people. You see, as much as I'm not like how he not try to help nobody else, me can't say yo, being a man is an entertainer. You see, being a man, them man they go up on the stage and go bang bang dig dig dig. Dog, them man they come with style.
Yeah, for real. Being a man have performance, he have stage presence, all of the good deeds them. But it's not even about being a man.
Exactly.
I want to talk a little bit more about Alkaline.
Yes. Let me hear.
I want to talk a little bit more about Alkaline. Now, for a man where did that in the shadows for years, I don't do an interview, brother. Now you come back out in the scene and you do your interview and whatever. I feel like you should have been more ready. The man not show no form of confidence.
No confidence.
You see me? Your fans then pick up on that.
No confidence.
You see me? Some of my fans them have burn him out, dog.
Bro.
And me as an Alkaline fan, really have burn him out wicked because you can't tell me. Yo, me feel like I hear King still inspire me, Vybz Kartel.
All right.
But he not talk, brother. Hold on, no, man. You have to give respect where respect due.
It's due, bro.
I'm not biased, bro. You have to give respect where respect due. Give the credits, dog.
Where it's due, bro.
If you say, this man inspire you, even if you don't want to call that the man the name, make up some fucking thing and say, yo, but I was inspired by the way, this person bring across in music. Bro.
Not even Bob Marley.
Nothing.
Not even Peter Tosh.
The man said, nobody, man. Fans.
Not even Garnet Silk.
Brother, your fans cannot cannot be the one who inspire you. If you never have nobody before you was an artist.
All right.
That's the biggest point. Before you were an artist, you never have no fans.
Yo, me have to make you talk, you know, cause you see. But you know, me know you're hurt, you know.
Dog, me pissed off.
Me know you're hurt.
Me pissed off my youth, and then the man delivered just shaky.
But watch out, remember, like probably like 10 years ago. How long now Alkaline bus?
You bust good while, man.
About 15 years now? About 15 years now.
Probably a brush 15 years.
Watch this. Me remember when Alkaline they have a good friend where do an interview on stage. Me never forget.
Yeah.
When the man come and say, yo, them used to find everything where Vybz Kartel do and try to figure out how Vybz Kartel like deliver.
Really
bro. So what's this now? The guy, I say, yo, Alkaline was more like how Vybz Kartel was. You get me?
Mm-hmm.
So, because it was them DJ, no? But Alkaline was the more controversial appeal. You see me? So, him run with all of that. But a Cartel did that emulate. Cartel was the person who Alkaline did that emulate.
Of course. Issue from the beginning still.
Yeah, bro.
We see it in the beginning. When Alkaline just push out and come and roll.
Vendetta fans, them are comfy, you know that. But that's so go.
Bro, all right. Now, me still want to say something more there. Because, I tell you, I'm going to give credit where credit due there.
Yeah.
You see me? And when it comes to Vybz Kartel, the man is an intellect.
Thank you.
Hold on.
Thank you.
Me not bias. Me have to give the credit where the credit due.
Thank you.
The man is an intellect. The way how the man speak when him dey on interview and something from even back in the days.
Man know how to present.
Him know how to present himself. Him know how to use him words.
Yes.
And not only him, you have Dexter Dap. You ever watch one of Dexter Dap interview? How the man they articulate. Bro? You see me?
Yes, sir.
That was the thing that I was looking for when it comes to Alkaline.
Alkaline don't said, you know?
The man don't said.
Bro.
But the man no articulate, dog. The man no articulate nothing in the interview.
But you know, some of them artists are they are taking Mali and Nepali. You see me? So sometimes they high.
Before we left Alkaline topic, I have one more thing we want to show you, dog.
What?
I have one more thing we want to mention. Now, as you said something earlier. One man cannot be an island.
One man can't be an island, bro.
Then cannot be an island. I'm a pre-Alkaline, before me even say in page. We're going to look on some local artists first. Some local mongol in the music industry.
Yeah.
You know what I say? Big artists. We're talking about Vybz Kartel first.
All right.
When I look on Vybz Kartel Instagram, Vybz Kartel Instagram, may I have a right to say, brother? May I just mention this as in? Vybz Kartel I follow 1,266 people.
All right.
Then, now, when I look at Massacre, at least Massacre I follow 43 people.
All right.
Then, we're talking about some Mongol.
Mogul.
Big word, me I try you. But you don't know it.
Yeah, Mogul.
Yeah. But yeah, 43 people. Then, you have Bounty Killer, I follow 7,346 people on Instagram.
Mm-hmm.
All of them man are big old artists in the industry.
What for your artists?
Hold on. I could go touch international a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Then, I'm going to look on Drake, my pre-Drake account. And I say just Drake, I follow 3,393 people. You see me? Now I move to one producer, the last one, I'm look on one of the biggest producers in the world, DJ Khaled. And that the man there, I follow 5,910 people.
All right.
So when I look on Alkaline page,
how much you my follow?
0.
So now that me I show you, bro. No
you
man
have
is an
1
island,
million
bro.
fans that follow you.
No man is an island, bro.
No f***ing man is an island, bro.
Let me show you something. You try to tell me, say, Alkaline have a team of people when work with. You know have somebody who control in social media network. You know have somebody where, bro, and you not follow nobody?
Who is you? Nobody. Who is you?
If Bob Marley was alive, Bob Marley would have followed a whole heap of people.
Of course, Peter Tosh, the Whalers, all of these people, dog.
Him a go on like say him a God. Him no want follow nobody.
And that one of them fans lick out upon him and I said to dog, and I say, yo brother, you're not an island, you can't.
No man is an island, bro.
You know what happened? You're in an industry where people are going to always come at you. Whether you like it or not,
yes.
People are going to come at you.
Yes.
People are going to tell you all kind of things, bro. People are going to hurt your feelings and them something, but you can't sulk up in your corner.
Mm-hmm.
You understand what I say, bro? And just jar away because your feelings hurt.
But remember saying at one point, you know, Alkaline did a par with Movado. What the next guy name? That par with Movado and one next bad artist, man.
Before he move overseas?
No, man. Since he moved, come over here, man. Can't remember my dog name, but he's a Rasta.
Oh.
My Rasta.
Zin.
You see me? Mavado, Alkaline. Can't remember my dog name. If you don't remember my name on the text, you don't drop in a comment.
I rate you, dog. I rate you. You see me? You know me, I know nobody, but me, I one of your fan. You see me? And you can't be a big artist without your fans, them. And
yeah, man.
You see me? Not even, you can't tell me say, none of you got them with your power with. Not one of them you not follow.
You're not even follow one of them on social media. You're mad, man.
Bro, disappointing.
Yo, going back in our hole, me G.
Bro, rather you come back out with a red eye contact lens next time.
Song them bad enough, cause this man me a listen.
No,
chicken and thing. You know the song there?
No. But yo.
Man sell off.
But yo.
Song them bad, man.
That's what we can argue about. Have some bad song with that road.
Yeah, bad song.
Champion Boy are one of my favorite songs.
Me say chicken and things are body song. Look up it anytime when we done, look up that song there. Sell off.
Yeah.
Dog, song bad, full of lyrics. Song different. Me I tell you, different, bro. Cartel I only man me see do something like that. Different.
Zane.
You see me?
So yo, fix up yourself, youth.
Yeah, man.
Zane. Yo, P Diddy.
You can't call him man the name pan the
yo,
podcast, you know, dog.
Yeah, I don't even want to call him man name, you know, dog. Yo, we black out that.
Yo, people, the Jergens man, P Diddy.
I'm not Jergens.
A Jergens.
Baby oil, man.
So no Jergens, baby oil.
A Jergens?
Yeah.
Johnson and Johnson.
A Johnson and Johnson.
What do you mean? What kind of Jergens?
So Jergens are what again?
Brother, I don't know.
Jergens are lotion.
Man, lotion.
Why? But bro, P Diddy, bro. Yo, the amount of things when me hear, bro. In the media, the man they are going to get last in a prison, bottom dog. Why on the bottom? But he might go bottom of prison. Because he like bottom too, you know?
Dog, nobody mention them sitting up on the podcast, dog. You see the video where the man beat up Cassie, man, you?
Dog,
the man kick Cassie, the man kick him like some football, some old football.
Dog, allegedly, dog, allegedly.
It's not alleged,
no,
bro.
Listen,
you see it on the video.
Yeah, me see that, but me I say allegedly, dog, the man have a whole heap of sex tape and some big artist, some big producer in the industry, dog. People where me and you wouldn't expect, me I tell you.
Bro.
You see me? Me I hear say at one point, because me no want to go quote for nobody, you know. Allegedly, me hear say all Usher did live with him and dog.
Dog.
See me?
Dog. Yo, you know me wonder, dog, if when you become a multi-million.
Billionaire.
He's a billionaire.
Yeah.
When you become a billionaire, because now you reach to the top. I wonder if you get bored of everything. Like money becomes nothing. Hold on.
Everything becomes nothing.
Like everything where you achieve already and like you look stuff to do.
You see when you have money certain way, dog. Remember say you have sex with everybody already.
That's what I said, dog.
See me? So you see all them man there? Them man, they can't get a rose unless they see some crazy shit happen.
Bro.
Because listen up, me I hear say the man would pay some man to have sex with the woman. They have sex with the woman and when the man them come, the man would take the come and rub it on him.
All right. So now that's why him beat up the woman, Cassie, and then say him have a freak off tape. And if she go talk about it, allegedly, want to use that too because I don't want to sue.
Allegedly,
Zane,
bro.
everything what me say from now on is allegedly.
Yes.
So him now threaten the girl, say, yo, if you go actually, talk about these things and whatever, me go release this tape. No, brother, are you a woman? Are you a woman? How you gonna pay man?
Not even that,
how
neither.
You gonna have your woman and do all
Not
these
even
things?
that, neither. You
And
know
then
when you
video
do?
the woman, bro.
You know when man do, dog? Because she was an artist, She was an artist. I signed him, sign her, And these are some of the things where not for you female artists need to know. You see, sometimes when some producer sign, I want to see say a front them a look. Because most of them, them have to deal with the woman them before they even drop a track for them, Then the woman have to suck off them care do some shit before them even can say, yo, make them release a one song. The man signed Cassie. How much years? You ever hear a song from Cassie? You didn't know, say the man, for Halloween, every Halloween, the man used to play the Joker. The man play the Joker, the man embed the character in him, bro. Where when him put on the mask there, him is the Joker. The man grow on and beat people, bro. The man grow on and beat people.
Allegedly.
Allegedly. No, but them think that they're on the media, bro.
Really?
Yeah. I watch this now. You know Kid Cudi?
Yeah.
The man blew up Kid Cudi car in a real life. Blow you up, bro.
Well, bro, me don't know about them. Me never follow him up still, Me never usually follow up in media.
You see me like do my research, So, you see when me say certain things, you can go look up and find it.
True.
You see me?
Because once you're out there in the media, everybody can find it.
The man, Cassie, must used to deal with Kid Cudi. Because Cassie did a trial, And Cassie must did a deal with Kid Cudi.
Yes, you.
And the man call the man and tell him, say, yo, if you don't stop, I'm going to blow your car up.
For real.
Or set your car on fire.
So,
them man don't learn. Look on Bill Cosby.
I make just what I go say now. R. Kelly, that. So it goes right back to the point to me and say when them money have money, it seems like them don't know where to do with their money. Because you can get any fucking woman you want. Anything.
Dog.
How you so fucking, you're nasty a pissing a woman mouth. Them they sit there with R. Kelly usually go on with them.
But you see
piss
next...
for a woman, piss this and this, that, and then Diddy now come with the same freaky fucking thing.
But what you know? Allegedly,
bro,
the man did have a sex trafficking. The man used to send woman for Yasso
but
go.
At that, he might try for now.
Bro, me
at
tell
that,
you.
he might try for.
Tell you, bro.
Brother, if that tape never come out with Cassie in the hotel,
all of this would
nobody would know about it.
What you know? The man used to pay off the NYPD.
Yes, and he tried to pay off the hotel to release the tape.
Pay them off, bro.
You see me? And that's why 50 Cent have a beating body in the dog. You know, so 50 Cent beat
bro,
me, the bad man.
Listen, the man going with black hair right now, every strand of hair upon the man is white. Cause guess why? You know, say my dog. You know, say my guy, Peter Hell, brother.
Dog,
I tell you.
For a man like them, they will have so much power and so much money.
That dog, they have too much.
Too much, dog.
So you see, when that with some people, that's when they have whole heap of money and power, bro, them abuse it. You see me? So you see, remember me to tell you what they say? The worst drugs known to man are what?
Yes, I have fame, dog.
Fame, brother. The worst drug. You see, once you're famous, dog, you have money certain way, you feel invincible. You feel like, say, you're there. You feel like God. Because anything where you want, you can get.
And that them feel like.
You see me? So they feel like them are God, bro.
And they can do anything with their money.
And then guess what? You have some man out there when I go accept it.
Yes.
And they might just bring you to your blouse cup knees. Because enough of them love go up on their knees, P Diddy. Yo. But yeah, people.
Yo.
Drop in a comment and tell me what you want to think. What you want to see you going on with the case. You know what I mean? Make we have a discussion in our comment section. How that sound?
Brother, I don't want to talk about no P Diddy still in that. Big one thing, man. Because, yo, I don't agree if you not beating a woman.
No, bro.
You can't deal with a man, so dog. For a man of that status with so much money, dog, you can't be tied to the pum-pum where the pum-pum lead you to beat up the woman like
bro,
that.
Bro, and the pum-pum lead him to beat her, you know.
I could have had them, dog. I must have dog.
Bro, a discipline. She not have a discipline which him want her to have.
P Diddy, my youth, talking about beating up a woman. Have you seen the video where the nurse up on the ground And this brother
bro.
stand up in the woman head, brother,
head, bro.
with a weapon.
No, and not even that. A man literally walk on her head, bro. A man play a video, bro. Play a video. Play one clip of video.
Brother, me not even, yo, me don't want we think get on you. But yo.
True. We can't play. We don't want to play. No play.
We not gonna play it.
No play. We can't play because
we
don't have
we not play it. But
yeah.
It a go on social media.
Look feed on social media, man.
Brother, me not see how if that gun is a legal firearm.
Bro, man
how FLA give them the man the weapon.
Bro, me say man tapping a woman head.
Brother, the man a deal with the woman like
and the rest of man them did it, bro, and I say, yo,
but he have a weapon, so probably that's why you have a weapon, dog. Brother, he's a big pussy.
And not even that neither, you see?
Remember,
no found man out there on normalize beating women.
Weak.
They normalize beating women, and that are no problem.
Weak, man.
You see, somehow, if it come to a test, if you and a man fight, if it come to a test, you run gun. But you see, when you and a woman have things, you know, a toughest thing and the baddest thing.
Beat up them man, wicked.
A girl clown them, bro. Girl strength them up, brother.
Girl strength them
you see me? Because me know a man, you know, bro. Where? You see, when them man have things around, I be a chat, then chat.
Yeah.
And you see, when them man out, them beat out them flat woman, dog. Beat them woman to scan, brother. Most of them man, where you see, a girl strength them up.
Of course. Brother, if you find out say your woman a gay bun, or your woman a give with the zin, me not tell a man say, yo, it's easy to walk away, or it's easy to let go. But it's easier for you walk away than beat up the woman, or the woman, and then run up and down now and start hide like some idiot. You give up your freedom.
Talking about that.
You give up your freedom and then go hide all about and police will look for you. Walk away, brother. It's easier for you to just walk away. The can't be so good where you go beat up your woman and batter the woman and them sit the dog.
Bro, talking about that. Saying, talking about that. And I them thing I may always talk about. You see enough man, dog. You see, man love dish things where they can't anger. You see, most of man them, bro, where you see a beat woman and a woman for whatever reason, them a do worse than way woman them a do dog.
Of course.
Them a do way worse than way woman them a do brother.
Of course.
But then cannot angle the same thing with them a dish the woman them. When the woman them dish it back to them, is a problem.
It's a problem.
You see me? If you know if you can't take bun, don't give bun. Cause guess what? You are give bun, and when a woman, hey, you see when woman give bun, it hot, you know, brother? Cause you see, let me tell you this. You see when a man a girl, when a man fuck a girl, you know, he does a fuck a girl, you know. You see when a woman go fuck a man,
brother,
she put feelings and emotion in that, you know. You imagine how she a suck off and all kind of shit, you know.
That a go fuck up your head, you know.
Right.
When the man a twist it and turn it, I say, Judge, I wonder, foot pan shoulder and the man a drive, and them sitting there fuck up your head, you know.
But bro, if you know so you can't manage, don't do it to a woman.
Don't do it to
At that, it all come back to that, bro.
I'm a talk already. We're not as strong as woman. All you see man are going so.
Oh God, man.
Mentally, dog. That's why we have so much. We talk about it already. We have so much suicide with the man. Based on men.
Depression.
Yes. Because we don't know how to hold it. But then again, as you say, we are dish out something and we don't know how to receive it. As tough as how it is, me da just walk away. Me da go walk away and go down and kind of go ball.
Oh, if a woman do something?
Yeah, if a woman give her the front, I'm find out so the woman give her the front, or the woman a take man, I'm really find out, dog.
I love balling, bro.
Brother, rather me just go lock up somewhere now and corner and go ball or something. Dog. Ball it out like a man
yo,
and just
come
back out and wipe off the face.
I walk around, I go back, I ball in front, you know. Give me a pussy. Why you give me a pussy? I chop out family, brother.
When that woman give a pussy still in the dog, it come like a year one, it come like a you who own the pussy and she just take it and just give to her next man. Watch out. Yeah, ball like a baby.
Watch out, woman, don't get you already, you know. But you see when you find out, you feel the pain, you know. You feel it, pain, and I
Brother.
went through that say sitting.
Brother.
But you are bro, you feel it.
Brother. Oh man, yo. This not in the topic, but dog. The experience that when me younger still in a dog, when me young love in a dog. And when you man give it the little front in a dog, me I tell you say, yo, first thing me feel like a liver collapse. Brother, days
I can't be again, bro.
days, me don't hear me no dog. A crackers and Cersei tea me a feed paddle. People, we have it. Yo, make a move past this.
Watch out. World boss. World boss. Make we talk about the world boss.
Talk about the world boss. Yo,
Dog.
you may I say, before you even talk about your daddy,
No, listen, I dance all fear.
your dancehall feel.
Yeah.
Yeah, the man, them a band man song dog.
Watch
Man,
out.
they don't want man a Guyana, you know see that?
I know it's sang them about it. I'm going to show you something. You see, people fear what they can't control, you know. You see me?
If he say that,
People fear what they can't control.
true.
Cartel is an influential person. Very influential.
bro, the
See?
amount of time Cartel name come up in our podcast, dog.
Bro, Gaza.
Bro, you cannot choose side.
You can't tell.
Gaza. But yo, the amount of time what the man name mentioned, see?
But look, you know, Cartel is the topic on the internet.
Yeah.
Whether you like it or
True,
not.
no, true, dog.
You see
The man
me?
had a road now, dog.
Bro, anywhere
Man,
you turn,
Hatter Road,
anywhere you turn, you go see Cartel
The
name.
man had a road, dog. But talking about the song with them band from Guyana, or him, them are saying can't perform it once him coming to Guyana.
The man can't go to school. The man can't go no. Indeed, if you go do an interview, them are saying can't go do the interview. It's just like from the show to the hotel to the airport. Dog, you cannot have no kind of stipulation like that for the man, bro. You
True.
see me? But watch
I
this
don't
now.
agree with that either.
Watch this now.
I don't agree with that.
You see the thing where them a whole what happening in the past against Cartel.
If he said that,
Yes, remember saying no cartel case go at the UK Supreme Court. See?
Yeah, I said him.
Or whatever court they have in the UK.
Zin.
So, you see, them people are Guyana, them I say, yo, them a hold that against him same way. May I tell you?
Yep. All right. My understanding from this is that the song "Good Like Jesus," "Good Like Jesus."
Yeah.
Zin, you listen to the song.
Yeah, man, it's good like it's some girl in there they sexy too. It's not- Cartel. And where you find them girl in that video, daddy?
Listen,
Adija Palmer. Let me tell you this. A genius. Yeah,
brother. My thing is though, Zin, the title "Good Like Jesus" is very controversial. And
Yeah.
you know, Vybz Kartel is a controversial man.
Yes.
Zin, but the association our the people them have problem with "Good Like Jesus." How does related to Jesus? How is it like them a try say how you bring that to the Most High God?
We can't explain that still.
Well, I know you're gonna explain it. Where
Yeah.
because I try to tell you what really the ethnic, you know me I say
Yeah.
commission, the people them I say, yo, you know, the church people, the
Yeah,
Christians and I say, yo, you know, it just not appropriate where you make reference to Jesus and but me not to dig his song, dog. His song sound like a
His
more
song
old type of vibe.
But a whole type of vibe I come back now.
Yeah, but me not like how him voice sound in it.
You know, every time we don't have a problem. We don't have too much problem with Cartel, brother. Let me explain something to you now.
Bruh,
All right. When the man refer to the good like Jesus, see?
Zin.
Dog, you have to understand, you know, dog. Jesus give life to man. He give you life.
Oh, I hear this, you know.
He give you life.
Yeah, me know.
If the woman never have see, or would we procreate? Or would we have kids? Or would we, or a population would then expand? Bro, you see them church people here, bro. I just one thing me have to say to them. You see, where they can't control, bro, anything where they can't control and fight against. And you cannot say, you see, it better than we find something else to say at that make they don't want him man in their country. But when you go say, you go ban him man because I want song.
They say them he can't perform that particular
But even
song.
if he can't, yes, they say he can't perform the song. All right. He can't perform the song, but why him can't go do an interview? Why he can't go to the beach? Why he can't go do no sightseeing like everybody else? Them a try to keep him man in a one little
box,
one little space.
Right.
From yaso to deso.
But
you can't do that, bro.
But then again, we feel like just like how them did deal with Spice when Spice go up on the school tour, is not the Spice now them a look on. Them a look on what Spice sing about, what Spice whole artistry is about open this, that, everything about. You know when I say skin out, this, that. The derogatoriness. Now with Cartel, them probably look on his track record. In a sense, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
They now look on the brand new man where he is right now. Them a look on him track record. And for you as such an influential person.
Why they never?
Well, and for you as such an influential person, come in our country. Now you have so much influence already.
Yeah.
We have to try to continue. We can't make you, that's what them are doing, you know. We can't make you go there, so we can't make you go there so because you're full of so much influence.
Bro, people there on the internet every day.
We know, but based on your past, them it a come to them now, so them a try control it.
Let me explain something to you.
Them a try control it.
You can't control something where people see every day. People have cell phone. Listen up, people have cell phone, bro. Anything where you try to keep from your people, they must see it already on cell phone.
I understand that.
Watch out now. Why them never take and say, yo, Cartel come and say God is the greatest. Why they never run with that? Why them have to run with the negative? Because I show you.
Because that's some people
stay. Man come out of prison.
People
man come out of prison, man I preach God, love, peace. Why them not run with that?
Yes, but that's
them just try to keep him man, conform him man to feed them. You see, society, bro. Society. If society can't have you feed them way, there will be no way. You see, because Jesus need a conform to the society back in the day, what you see them do? They set him up to kill him. A society, you know, bro. Society, let me tell you this. You see, government is a body of people, you know, brother, way. Is either their way or, you see me? Society, them are trying to normalize society in one way to control. But let me tell you, you see Cartel, if you just tell them, bro, so when you come to Cartel, you know, and they go on like they want to violate, bro.
Yo, I understand, say, yo, you're passionate and you're favorite artist.
No, them man they inspire me, bro. Me not go
yeah, me not say no. I mean, I have nothing against them on that.
You see me?
But what me just try to look at is the morals when it comes to the religion. But then again, it a go rub the church people them the wrong way,
we can't say something to you.
It a go rub them because church people do play a big part in the society.
Yes.
And then it's like, in a sense, Cartel, I say, him not have no respect.
No, bro, I know that. Me can say something.
That's how it come out.
Me can say something. Me can say something. All right.
You know what?
Which country again? Trinidad?
No, Guyana.
Guyana. You know which country have the most church in the world?
Jamaica.
Okay. So all them are going like them more holier than we so. All them are going like, dog, we have the most church and the most rum bar.
Yes.
We equalize it.
Yes, but they can't control full country. They can control where come into their country.
They not control shit, bro. They might try to control the man.
Them saying they perform the song. Well, you're saying other things still. But.
Dog, listen. They might tell a man saying you can't go, you saying you can't go, you can't go this. Bro, let me tell you this. If I'm me,
yeah, you're not gonna win.
Go where? Go do what?
Kind of short on the money.
Dog, listen, man, let me tell you. Them are try to control things where already there in a society, bro. If you take up your phone today, watch this, you raise your kid. Zin, you have your son, you have your daughter, whatever. You see, the minute you put an iPad or a cell phone in their hands and give them access to the internet, my youth. Mm-hmm. You see, if you not put parental control on certain things on that tablet, your kids them exposed to anything, my youth. That simple means, you see, if you are worried about, if your pitney go road and people are going to teach him for cuss bad word, people are going to teach him for rob and kill, bro, you depend on the internet.
Yeah, you're worried about the wrong thing.
You're worried about the wrong thing, bro. Once you, all right, we don't put to pitney them on YouTube because we want time for ourselves. Bro, you know how easy it is for your kids slide and go so boom and find some crazy shit where amp on the internet.
Yeah, true.
And then 2 a year, my cuss bad word. You don't know how you learn the bad word.
Yeah, true.
I just show you, bro. Things where them a try to control, bro, your people, them already a tyrant.
Yo,
Is
the
it
man
me?
passionate when it comes to him, you know that. So I have nothing to say about you.
No,
know,
bro, you
just sit
cannot,
here, so,
listen up.
and just listen.
You can't go on like they can't go on like they
Yo,
want
but
to
understand
great,
where I
bro.
come from still, dog. I really understand where I come from. You know
Gaza,
what
we
I say?
say.
Dog, please, my youth. Please, bro. Please. Please, dog. Just settle with the Gaza thing, man.
Right, that's what I think, man. Gaza.
Yo, anyway,
Is it me?
before we close, we touch on a little bit of the, I not even want to say it, Graper Boy, where them
Oh, God,
where
man.
police leak out.
Yo,
You see me? Because the little
Bro.
people, dog.
see them pedophile there, dog.
Dog, that's sad in a youth.
Bro, yeah, let me tell you, I have 2 daughters, you
Sad,
see?
dog.
That's why I see things like them, they happen, dog. Yeah, I want to come on my eye because, bro, you're not gonna know when it gonna come close to you or come a year door. You have your daughters, my youth, you have your son. You have man out there where a trouble little boy too, you know.
Yeah, dog.
You see me?
Yeah.
So, bro, when you see a man do that, dog, take away a little girl, grape her, and then unalive her, bro.
Yeah, dog.
Bro, that is sick and
Dog,
it's sad.
oh,
It's sick
oh.
and it's sad, bro.
It's sick. How a big fucking man, dog. You see me?
Sad, brother.
How you, as a man like that, where you're supposed to protect these small kids, protect the life, them are the future, you develop nature. How you look on
Dog.
a kid and develop nature
That-
for that kid,
bro.
bro. It's like, brother,
It's
that the man they shouldn't, yo, you see me feel like him shouldn't just drop out so easy, dog. That the man they should have get torture, bro.
torture, brother.
Like,
I tell
bro,
you.
when you gonna mess with kids like that, bro, like, bro,
Yo, back in the
there's
day,
more
they
than
did
just
have one sit.
can't touch you if a couple
They
days.
have
man.
one sit
Wicked.
back in the idea, bro. I don't really remember all go, but me here say like they used to use the cut off parts of your body or sit like so. If I lie, me I tell, or if I not say go, somebody please drop in a comment and let me know.
Yeah.
But then they have one thing back in the day, back in the day named guillotine, where I feel man them way, if me not lie. Because a long time me hear about them thing, if I look at you. You see me? But brother, me I tell you say, the police them should have just
Yeah,
pick out in toenail every day.
Yo, I'm a respect
Pick
all the
out in
officers.
teeth them. Bro, may I tell you, it's sad, man.
That's what I say. It should have.
Sad, bro.
We're glad Sam gone. I'm like all the officers them respond.
Yo,
You see me I say?
every man will do that, dog. I saw them fi deal with them.
Yes, man. Same way.
I saw them fi deal with them.
Me
bro.
like the quick response. Me like how
Yeah, man.
you just jump on the thing, you see me, and deal with it same time. Nobody make it last and stretch out. I saw enough to deal with stuff, you see me?
Yeah,
man
man.
like them, they enough last.
They enough
no
last,
time.
bro.
No, bro. Enough last.
Man, I tell you that. Me not even like talk about it. It's sad, brother.
Yeah, dog, you know say I know me not just touch my juice, dog.
Yo, I say you go youth. Me, you know me love you, me know.
People,
Yo,
I think, you know.
make
all I
sure
want
you no
drink.
follow, guys. Make sure you no follow up on Instagram and TikTok. See it? Yo,
Yeah.
to success, bro.
To success, man.
Big up yourself, man.
People, big up on yourself. Enough respect. You see me? Thanks for the support.